That's real good, mate.
I was in that heat race, mate, a couple of years ago. You're coming through the middle.
That's good, Westy.
That was cool.
Good, mate.
I was in that heat race, mate, a couple of years ago. You're coming through the middle. That was cool.
That was hard work. Well, just to get the car out of the pit was hard work. We changed the wrap.
Oh, you did?
I banged the wheels with that other guy, and I owe that 20 cents. I'd like to say that I'm right. I banged the wheels with that other guy. I owe that. Have I still not? I'd like to say that I'm right. Oh yeah, that's my crew.
That's your crew?
Yeah. Have I still not?
That was good.
Yeah,
He came around really well.
He did well. I went by him and then he was coming back. But if I had got by Christian a bit earlier, I would have been gone. Yeah,
He came around really well. We're doing track track now.
I went by him and then he was coming back. But if I had got by Christian a bit earlier, I would have been gone.
Take nothing away at all from Fitzpatrick. That was an outstanding job on the outside, but Westy, we love Kingaroy. Kingaroy loves a Torana from Westy. It was. It must be covered up to that.
Yeah, we didn't really know how it was going to go. We didn't realise there was a toll.
Westy, it was. He must be covered up to that.
Yeah, it was way to be. His family and kids to come here, and this is his reward.
What does this race every year mean to you, Graham?
I've never been. Everyone wanted me to come and show Queensland what we can do. When you had the national title, that was my chance to get here. And when I seen the crowd here, I just went, this is today. You know, like, we wouldn't get a crowd like this in Victoria unless we had sprint cars as the main game, and then we get the dirty end of the track. So this is for you guys up here. Thanks for supporting me.
We love having you here. Make some noise, Kingaroy.
We get the dirty end of the track. So this is for you guys up here.
We love having you here.